Welcome to Detroit Motor Marvels. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to every car owner's heart: insurance costs. What if I told you that some cars are surprisingly easy on your wallet when it comes to insurance premiums? We're about to unveil a list of 10 cars that are known for being affordable to insure. From safety features to reliability, we'll break down why these cars are less likely to break the bank when it comes to coverage. If you love deep dives into the car world, from the fastest supercars to the smartest buying tips, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Now, let's check out the cars that are easy on both your gas tank and your insurance bill. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Subaru Outback. This rugged wagon is a top choice for those seeking adventure without sacrificing peace of mind, thanks to its affordability when it comes to insurance. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, which includes features like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking, comes standard on most Outback models. These advanced safety features play a crucial role in preventing accidents, and insurance companies love that. The Outback is also known for its robust build quality and standard all-wheel drive, making it a capable handler in various weather conditions. Subaru owners, particularly Outback drivers, are often perceived as being more safety-conscious and less likely to engage in risky driving behavior. So, if you're looking for a spacious and capable vehicle that won't break the bank on insurance, the Subaru Outback deserves a spot on your shopping list. Coming in at number 9 is the Honda CR-V. This compact SUV has been a favorite among families for years, and its reputation for reliability and safety extends to its insurance costs as well. Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of advanced safety and driver-assistive technologies, is available on all CR-V trims. These advanced systems work together to enhance driver awareness, prevent accidents, and mitigate the severity of collisions, which is music to the ears of insurance providers. The CR-V's renowned reliability also plays a significant role in keeping insurance costs down. Hondas are known for their durability and longevity, and the CR-V is no exception. Moreover, the CR-V's widespread popularity means that parts are readily available and relatively affordable, further contributing to its insurance-friendly status. So, if you're in the market for a practical, reliable, and safe SUV that won't break the bank on insurance, the Honda CR-V is definitely worth considering. At number 8, we have the Toyota Camry. This mid-size sedan has been a bestseller for decades, and its reputation for reliability, safety, and value extends to its insurance costs. The Camry's insurance affordability can be attributed to its legendary reliability. Toyotas are renowned for their durability and longevity, and the Camry is a prime example of this engineering prowess. Toyota Safety Sense, the brand's suite of advanced safety features, is standard on all Camry models. These advanced systems work in harmony to enhance driver awareness, prevent accidents, and mitigate the severity of collisions, making the Camry a safe bet for both drivers and insurance providers. Camry owners tend to be more mature and safety-conscious drivers, which translates to lower accident rates. So if you're seeking a reliable, safe, and value-packed sedan that won't break the bank on insurance, the Toyota Camry should be on your radar. At number 7 is the Mazda CX-5. This compact SUV has been turning heads with its sleek design and engaging driving dynamics, but it's also a smart choice for those seeking affordability, especially when it comes to insurance. Mazda has equipped the CX-5 with a comprehensive suite of safety features known as Eye Active Sense. These features work in unison to provide a heightened sense of awareness and safety, reducing the likelihood of accidents and mitigating their severity, which is a major plus in the eyes of insurance companies. The CX-5 also benefits from having a relatively low theft rate. Mazda has made significant strides in improving the reliability of its vehicles, and the CX-5 is a testament to that progress. So, if you're looking for a stylish, fun-to-drive and safe SUV that won't break the bank on insurance, the Mazda CX-5 is definitely a contender worth considering. At number 6 is the Ford Escape. This compact SUV has been a staple in Ford's lineup for years, and its appeal extends beyond its versatility and features, as it's also known for being relatively easy on the wallet when it comes to insurance. Ford has equipped the Escape with a suite of advanced safety technologies known as Ford Co-Pilot 360. These advanced systems work together to enhance driver awareness, prevent accidents, and mitigate the severity of collisions, making the Escape a reassuring choice for both drivers and insurance providers. The Escape's widespread popularity also plays a role in its insurance affordability. As one of Ford's best-selling vehicles, The Escape benefits from readily available and relatively affordable parts, which helps keep repair costs down in the event of an accident. So, if you're seeking a practical, safe, and value-oriented SUV that won't break the bank on insurance, the Ford Escape is definitely worth a closer look. At number 5 is the Volkswagen Jetta. This German-engineered compact sedan often flies under the radar in a crowded segment, but it offers a compelling blend of style, efficiency, and affordability. And that affordability extends to its insurance costs. Volkswagen has equipped the Jetta with a range of standard safety features, including automatic post-collision braking system. The Jetta offers an available suite of advanced safety technologies known as IQ.Drive. These advanced systems work in harmony to enhance driver awareness, prevent accidents, and mitigate the severity of collisions, making the Jetta a reassuring choice for both drivers and insurance providers. The Jetta's relatively low theft rate also helps keep insurance premiums down. While Volkswagen's reputation for reliability might not be on par with brands like Toyota or Honda, the Jetta has consistently scored well in reliability surveys. So, if you're seeking a stylish, efficient, and safe compact sedan that won't break the bank on insurance, the Volkswagen Jetta deserves a spot on your shopping list. At number 4 is the Hyundai Tucson. This compact SUV is a favorite among consumers, known for its good looks and tech-savvy interior. Hyundai has made significant strides in safety technology, and the Tucson is a testament to that. It comes standard with Hyundai SmartSense, a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance features. These systems enhance driver awareness and prevent accidents. If you're seeking a stylish, feature-rich, and safe compact SUV, the Hyundai Tucson is worth a look. At number 3 is the Chevrolet Malibu. This mid-size sedan might not be the flashiest or most exciting vehicle in its segment, but it offers a compelling blend of practicality, affordability, and a comfortable ride. Chevrolet has equipped the Malibu with a range of standard safety features, including a rear vision camera and automatic emergency braking. The Malibu offers an available suite of advanced safety technologies known as Chevy Safety Assist. These advanced systems work in harmony to enhance driver awareness and further reduce the risk of accidents, making the Malibu a reassuring choice for both drivers and insurance providers. The Malibu's relatively low theft rate also helps keep insurance premiums down. So, if you're seeking a practical, safe, and value-oriented sedan that won't break the bank on insurance, the Chevrolet Malibu is definitely worth considering. Number 2, Subaru Forester. This compact SUV is a favorite among families and outdoor enthusiasts for its go-anywhere attitude and spacious interior. Subaru prioritizes safety, and the Forester is a prime example. It comes standard with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology. These systems enhance driver awareness and prevent accidents. The Forester's all-wheel drive provides excellent traction and stability. For a safe, capable, and reliable SUV, consider the Subaru Forester. Number 1. Honda Accord. This mid-size sedan has been a bestseller for decades, known for reliability, comfort, efficiency, and affordability. The Accord's legendary reliability makes it an insurance favorite. Hondas are durable and long-lasting, and the Accord exemplifies this. Honda Sensing, standard on all models, enhances safety and driver awareness. These systems prevent accidents and mitigate collision severity. For a reliable, safe, and affordable sedan, the Honda Accord is a top choice. So, there you have it. 10 cars that are surprisingly easy to insure. From the rugged Subaru Outback to the ever-popular Honda Accord, these vehicles have proven that you don't have to sacrifice safety, reliability, or features to keep your insurance premiums in check. Remember, insurance costs are just one factor to consider when choosing your next car, but it's certainly an important one. So, what do you think? Did your car make the list, or are you thinking about switching to a model that's easier on your wallet? Let us know in the comments below. For more awesome car insights, be sure to check out our other videos on Detroit Motor Marvels. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.